Today I'm going to show you exactly how I created Gatito NFT collection on AbstractChain with 1.3k NFTs, and spoiler, it's easier than you think. Every single NFT is a unique cat, 1/1, generated with AI. Each character has its own style and its own outfit. To walk you through the process, I'm going to do a live demo right now. And he'll be creating a rabbit character from scratch so you can see exactly how it works step by step. Let's get into it. Before touching any tool, the first step is to have an idea of the character you want to create. As I said, for Gatito it was a cat, and here let's start with a rabbit. Same process, different character. The key is to be specific. Do you want full body or portrait? Standing, sitting, the vibe, the style. The more precise is your vision, the better AI will perform. So now, as you can see, we're on Nano Banana Pro. This is where we're going to generate our base character. So let me prompt it. Full body rabbit, standing up, facing the camera on a neutral gray background. And also, here's the tip, I want a character with no outfit at first. Why? Because a clean base makes it way easier to customize it later. Basically, just describe simply what you want. And of course, if you generate in 4K, you'll get better result. You can also do generation in 2K or 1K. So for this video, I will go with 4K. So basically, I started with a small prompt like this, and I will see how it looks and if I'm happy with it. By the way, I messed up. Let's not forget to put the ratio here square. So here, for example, you already have some nice results, and I'm not gonna lie, this one to me looks very cute. I love the eyes, and there is something in this rabbit compared to the other. So let me show you everything. This is more cartoonish. This is my favorite one. Then you have this one that is cool. This. All right. So let's say this one is really cool and it's detailed like Gatito, so I can create nice 3D video with AI. So this one was 2K. I will use it as reference, and I will just ask Nano Banana to regenerate it with high quality, detailed 3D, not changing anything else. So obviously this step is very important. It's not choosing a character randomly. If you have to generate 10, 20, 30 times, do it, because this character is going to be the template for all your collection, is going to be the face and all your brand. The only thing left now is to just choose one. Just choose the one you vibe the most with. I chose this one. Now let's jump to the next step. Make sure to download and save your base character, because you don't want to delete this one. You can already use it here as a reference. And now the fun part, generating the collection. So this is what I did for Gatito. So for example, here's a rabbit. Generate a skin for the rabbit with a character outfit. Adapt the fur to match the color of the character. The pose, background and proportion of the rabbit must remain identical. This is really important to lock the character. When you say something like this to AI, generate a skin for the rabbit with a character outfit, it will just generate a random character. And because there is no precision, it will always generate something different. And look the result, like, isn't that so cute? I want to launch this NFT collection too. I want to play with that with AI. I want to adopt one. Yeah, this is too good. Then when you have your generation, you can also delete the one you don't like, or you can also change the prompt to have a result exactly as you want. For example, if I run a rabbit in streetwear style, I just change it here, generate a skin for the rabbit with a streetwear outfit, and it's done. And you can do anything. It could be a sexy outfit, it can be a costume, it can be an adventurer, it can be an astronaut. Once you have all your visuals ready, next step is launching your collection. I used OpenSea Studio. It's the go-to platform to deploy your NFT collection. I won't go into all technical details on this, but the process is simpler than you can expect. You import your files, set up your collection, and publish. And that's the full process, from a blank ID to a deployed NFT collection, using nothing but AI tools. Whether you want to do cats like me, rabbits like in this video, or any other character, the workflow is exactly the same. See you in the next one.